It's easier than ever to replace a sky in Photoshop, but there's a tool in sky replacement I hadn't been using, which is really great when it comes to making those edges just nice and clean so they're not all hazy. Let me show it to you right now. So let's choose the Edit, Sky Replacement, and I'm sure you're familiar with this tool. If not, I've done other tutorials on it, but basically it uses AI to replace the sky. And you can see it looks pretty good right off the bat, and it even does things like sees in these little gaps and knows it's the sky. You know, some photos it does better than others. Let me use a different sky so we can really clearly see what's going on here. We're going to use a gray sky. And one of the challenges that sometimes maybe you have found is see these little halos around the edges. Now these look great on the horizon, looks very natural, but it doesn't look natural around an object like this building. It might work for a mountain in the distance. So I've always just kind of cleaned it up in the mask afterwards, but meanwhile, there's been a tool that's been staring me in the face the whole time, and this is the sky brush. I don't know why I wasn't using it before. Let me know in the comments if you guys have been using it, and maybe I'm just a little slow catching on here. So I'm going to use this brush and watch what happens when I go to the edges. Left bracket key will make it smaller, right bracket key will make it bigger, and let's just paint around the edges. Look at this. As I'm painting in here, I'm just tapping and just painting, and look at this. See how it's just cleaning up those edges and making them much more precise. So you could run all the way around the edges of your building if you wanted. And there we go. Now there's another thing that we can do in here though. Let me zoom in nice and close. And sometimes it encroaches inside the object as well. So if you hold down the Alt or the Option key, you can actually do the opposite. Here's a good example. See how the sky's kind of gone into everything? If I hold down Alt Option, look at this. I can just paint back here and just bring back the original detail. And what you want to do is just get the crosshair on the color that you want to restore, because it seems to use detection, color detection of where you can paint and where you can't. And it just helps you stay within the lines. It's really quite an amazing tool. Now there's another cool thing about this. Once we've created this mask that I just made, I can actually change skies and it's going to remember that mask. So look at this, we can do different skies here now. So I can switch out these skies to whatever I want and it remembers that mask. Let's give it a little bit more of the foreground lighting to pick up the color from the sky. A little bit more of the color adjust and click OK. And so I've done many other tutorials on the sky replacement where we can go in and we can edit all the different parameters. I'll link those underneath. So I'm curious, did you guys know about the sky brush and have you ever used it? Let me know in the comments underneath. And also if you're new, welcome to Photoshop Cafe. If you love these quick, no-nonsense Photoshop tutorials, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my videos. And if you guys like this, hit that like button. And until next time, I'll see you at the cafe.